While it's clear now, as you can tell from the looks of things behind me, it's going to be several days until life returns entirely to normal around here.
Plows were getting stuck. At the storm's peak, 68-mile-per-hour winds left 43,000 without power in New York. The city's 911 service had a backlog of 1,300 calls and left the mayor pleading for emergency calls only.
911 has to be free for the genuine emergencies. People's lives depend on it.
The three major metropolitan airports were closed. 2,000 flights were canceled, and tens of thousands of travelers were stranded. American Airlines has already canceled all of its flights for tomorrow at LaGuardia Airport.
Many New Yorkers started this past holiday weekend disappointed there was no white Christmas. They ended the weekend reminded of the old saying, be careful what you wish for.
The 20 inches of snow makes it the fifth snowiest storm ever here. In less than 24 hours, New York City got nearly 4 times the amount of snow it usually sees the entire month of December. The winds howled up and down the eastern seaboard. In Philadelphia, the Eagles-Vikings game was postponed until tomorrow, setting up the first NFL game on a Tuesday since 1946. Wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour knocked out power to 30,000 customers in Rhode Island and Massachusetts. 4 people died in weather-related traffic accidents in North Carolina. This was a storm of rare intensity, the barometric pressure similar to a Category 2 hurricane, and packing enough energy to produce thunder and lightning, called thunder snow.
There are meteorologists who live their entire lives and never get to experience thunder snow, so it is pretty rare, but in a nor'easter is typically when we see it happen.
But New Yorkers have a way of shrugging off even the toughest obstacles.
How long do you think you could stay out in the snow until your fingers felt like they were so cold they were going to freeze together?
10.
10 minutes?
Yes.
Or 10 hours?
10 hours.
5-year-old Francesca DeCurtis wasn't exaggerating, endlessly dragging her mother up and down the snow-covered hill and turning a city's brutal blizzard into a child's perfect playday.
Who gets colder first, you or mommy?
Mom.